Ever wondered how we can be sure that the food we consume is safe and free from hazards? The answer lies in a systematic approach known as HACCP, or Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. This ingenious process is the secret to ensuring the production of safe and wholesome food. Intrigued? Good! Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step journey of HACCP. The HACCP process kicks off with the first step, conducting a hazard analysis. This is where food safety professionals identify and evaluate potential dangers that could compromise the safety of the food product. It could be biological, like bacteria, chemical, such as pesticides, or physical, for instance, broken glass. It's a comprehensive assessment that leaves no stone unturned. After identifying potential hazards comes the second step, identifying the critical control points. These are points in the food production process where the identified hazards can be prevented, eliminated, or reduced to acceptable levels. For example, cooking is a critical control point where harmful bacteria can be killed. The third step involves setting critical limits for each identified critical control point. These are the maximum and minimum values to which a hazard must be controlled at a critical control point to prevent, eliminate, or reduce it to an acceptable level. The next step is monitoring the critical control points. This involves systematic observation or measurement of the critical control points to ensure they remain within the set critical limits. It's a continuous process that keeps the food production process in check. Should something go awry, the fifth step comes into play, establishing corrective actions. These are actions to be taken when monitoring indicates a deviation from an established critical limit. The ultimate goal here is to prevent hazardous food from reaching the consumer. Verification is the sixth step, and it's all about ensuring the HACCP plan is working effectively. This is done through methods such as testing, measuring, and observing. Finally, the seventh step is all about record keeping. Detailed records and documentation provide evidence that the HACCP system is working effectively. It's the proof in the pudding, so to speak. In summary, HACCP is a 7-step process that begins with hazard analysis, followed by identifying critical control points, setting critical limits, monitoring these points, establishing corrective actions, verifying the system's effectiveness, and finally, keeping detailed records. HACCP is not just a process, it's a commitment to food safety. It's a systematic approach that identifies, evaluates, and controls hazards in the food production process to ensure the production of safe and wholesome food. This is the secret to how we can enjoy our meals with peace of mind, knowing that a rigorous system is in place to keep our food safe. So the next time you sit down to enjoy a meal, remember the intricate process of HACCP that makes it possible.